No, my point was that Reva has developed a lot of confidence in her artistic expression. I will not say so much ability, all of us have it. Because in school, for example, I remember she was asked to draw a teapot. And she drew a teapot and she just felt like she colored it something like a Chinese teapot, in pink. And teacher gave her some 4 out of 10, so which was rather crushing. It's just self-expression, which I think she's sort of achieved and she's enjoying it so much.
That's nice. You say that.
I'm just saying that I wish I was her age to be part of this whole exercise, and I'm living it through her. So I'm enjoying it along with her.
And I've seen definitely there's a lot of difference in her self-expression. She's expressing a lot through art, and you can see it in her school also. As a person also, I can see it. She's become more confident. Nowadays, otherwise Sunday and Saturday, I didn't know what to do with the kids. Now I just give them sheets of paper, and they just go on. It goes on for 2 hours. And there's no this. Otherwise, previously I used to tell her, do some drawing. Oh, no, let me watch TV for some time. And I tell her, Gargi, do some drawing, and she's like ready with her, with her pencil, with her crayons, and like. It's so beautiful. I mean, I have no words. This class itself, like she was good in art in school also, but I would say as far as thinking goes, beyond what you see, that has come through this class. I mean, I can see it. We can see it in her drawings now. What she was 1 year back and what she is today. I mean, I've everything to thank to this class. I mean, it's made a tremendous difference in her self-expression, in her as a person. And in our household also, there's art everywhere now. In her younger brother, I mean, I see him with her, he sits and does things with her, it's really good. And I'm thinking of, I hope you have something for the younger ones also, so I can also bring him for the class. It's really nice.